everyone. It's a great opportunity for me to deliver my topic in front of you all respected persons. Myself, Priyanka Kashyap. I'm an assistant professor in Chaudhary Pratap Singh Memorial College of Education, Gurugram. As we all know that today we all are shut in a room due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. All colleges and schools of India have been shut since mid-March. But education is a continuous process. It can't be stopped. And the responsibility of teacher education institution has increased a lot because teacher education institution create a good teacher and the teacher builds the future of the country. In this present adverse situation, prospective teacher and teacher educator both are playing a vital role in the field of education. Teaching learning process has been shifted from classroom to house room. Parents are also contributing their effort in the best way. But it is tough to maintain teaching learning process from the room with homely environment. Thus, it is very necessary for the teacher educator to know prospective teachers' perception towards online classes. Therefore, I selected the topic that is a study on prospective teachers' perception towards online classes during the lockdown period. I have selected 5 sub-dimensions in the present study as an objective that are to study the responses of prospective teacher regarding readiness for online classes. Second one, to study the respected responses of prospective teacher regarding motivation for online classes. Third one, to study the responses of prospective teacher regarding competencies for online classes. Fourth one, to study the responses of prospective teacher regarding effectiveness for online classes. Fifth one, to study the responses of prospective teacher regarding problem facing situation in online classes. Material and method. In order to meet the above objectives, I selected survey method of descriptive methodology. I used convenience sampling technique of non-probable sampling. 88 prospective teachers are selected as a sample. I selected computer questionnaire, which is a set of 24 close-ended questions, and I selected 5-point rating scale questionnaire as an instrument from strongly agree to strongly disagree. Again, I used self-made computer questionnaire and checked its validity and reliability. Because of the present lockdown condition, only 88 prospective teachers are selected by convenience sampling technique due to the accessibility. This is the basic difficulty I face. After collecting data, I have done result and discussion. On the basis of result and discussion, it can be founded that the it can be found that prospective teacher distract in online classes because of homely environment, technical obstruction during the online classes, and also present pandemic situation sometimes demotivate them for online classes. Therefore, they preferred traditional classes in the place of online classes. My conclusion: I want to state that this online platform is very useful in the scenario of COVID-19, but however, the home environment of the prospective teacher needs to be taken care of. There should be good internet connection for their smooth online classes. There should be some other online activities related classes for their refreshment and motivation. Thank you.